Welcome to this video on how to install Microsoft 365 applications on your computer. Let's get started. Download Microsoft 365 apps. First, go to the Microsoft 365 page on the Trobe website. Then select the Microsoft link. This will open the Apps section of your Microsoft account. If you are not signed in automatically, sign in with your student username and password. Once you're in the Apps portal, look to the top right corner and select Install Apps. From the drop-down menu, choose Microsoft 365 Apps. This opens a page called My Account. Under Office Apps and Devices, select Install Office. Your Microsoft 365 installer will start downloading. Install the apps. Open the file you downloaded. You can do this from your browser or from your Downloads folder. The install wizard will open. Follow the prompts on screen to complete the installation. The install time will vary depending on your device and internet speed, so please be patient. It might take some time. When the installation is finished, you'll see Word, PowerPoint, and the other Microsoft apps in your list of applications. Sign in. To make sure the apps work correctly, open Word and check that you are signed in with your Trobe student account. You can confirm this by selecting your profile icon at the top of the screen. Once you're signed in, you're ready to use Microsoft 365. If you have any issues downloading or installing, reach out to our student IT support team. The contact details are available on our website.